Hi you guys, it's Nye. I am back with an unboxing of an item that I have literally been searching for since last year. I tried to get this thing in March of last year, and I literally, every time I put it in my cart, it was just selling out, selling out, selling out. So I was unable to get it last year like I wanted to. I had gone on some sites like Poshmark, Mercari, looking for it to see if there was someone who maybe purchased the second one and wanted to sell it. And girl, when I tell you those prices were like obscene, I'm not even joking. Like they were selling it for well above what it retailed for, and I just could not for what it was. Like, I think it's a beautiful item, it's a beautiful piece, but I just couldn't see paying double for its retail value. It didn't make sense to me. I could not make it make sense to me, no matter how cute I thought it was or how badly I wanted it. So fast forward to this year, December, I was perusing the Coach website. So now you know it's an item from Coach, but I was perusing the website, and my husband ended up purchasing it for me before I got a chance to purchase it for myself. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into it. Now, I've already taken it out of the dust bag because I was so excited I couldn't wait. But here we go. It is the Coach Pillow Tabby, and this is in the mini size, which is the 18. This is so stinking cute, y'all. Like, it is the pale lime, and when I tell you this color is stunning, it is so cute. It literally reminds me of like spring, summer. And honestly, this is what last year when I was looking for it, that was my intent, to wear it for a spring, summer fit. But obviously I couldn't get my hands on it, so my plans were foiled. But here we are this year. So everything that I had envisioned for myself last year is going to happen this year, this spring, summer. I'm so freaking excited. Let's get into the details of the bag. So as you can see, the Coach Pillow, I think over the past 2 years, the Coach Pillow Tabby and the Tabby in general have been like everywhere. You could not go on social media without seeing the full-sized version of this bag in the cream, in the blue, in the orange, in the black. Like, everybody was putting this on, sharing this on their Instagram, sharing it on Facebook, sharing it on YouTube. There were so many reviews done on the original, or I'm sorry, the full-size version of this bag. And then when this came out, it was all the rage as well. Hence the reason why I was super, super excited to get it. However, I don't think I've seen anybody do a review on this color, but this was the one, this was the color, y'all, that truly sold me and made me be like, yo, I need that. I don't know who I just became in that moment, but I needed that bag and I needed it. And so here we are. Anyway, so as you can see, it does have a top handle. It does have silver hardware, which I think is really cute against this color. If you see the little Coach, what is this? It is a buckle, I believe. I can't find my words, you guys. But anyway, it has the little C for Coach. You pull it up, and then it is a magnetic closure, which is really cute. And this magnetic closure on these Coach handbags is not to be played with, you guys. Like, hello, get in there. Yes, so yeah, very strong magnetic closure. It does have a crossbody strap, which I will say the cute thing about this too, and I feel like this is something that doesn't come on a lot of the higher end luxury mini bags, is an adjustable strap, which I think is really cute. And the strap is pretty thin, and I like that because it can be very casual. But I guess if you wanted to dress it up and you wanted to remove both of these, the little top handle and the crossbody strap, and put like a chain strap on it, I feel like that would be so cute, so stunning, and it would really dress this bag up. I think this would also be a bag that transitions well from day to night, because I think even though it's a very specific color, I think it could be really cute dressed up. If you're going out on like a little date night or maybe like a night out with your girls, this would be a cute little stunt. I'm not even joking. But yeah, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Just in case you were wondering, the color, let's get into the color because that is what truly sold me. I think the Pillow Tabby is a very cute bag in general, but I love the color. And I feel like if you're going to add a pop of color in your wardrobe, for me, it's easier for me to do it with an accessory rather than like a statement piece. I'm not really somebody that does too many statement pieces, but I can do some cute pop of color accessories. Yeah, so for the bag, I think it's great. I think it has this classic, obviously, the Coach dog tag, which everybody knows. I'll probably remove that, but the bag itself is stunning. It's so soft. The leather quality is amazing. Just in general, I feel like Coach is having a resurgence, and I'm absolutely here for it. For a lot of people, Coach is usually their first venture into like a higher end handbag. It's either Coach or it's Michael Kors, I feel like. And I feel like this is a prime, it's a great bag for me. And so here we go. I'm going to show you the inside because I don't think I did that. It has 2 main compartments and then it has a little pocket in there. I have my iPhone. I'm going to show you what fits inside. I think my phone is the, what is this thing? It's the 10 Max, I believe. So the XS Max, I believe is what this phone is. Girl, I can't remember because I've had this phone for quite a while. It's probably time for an upgrade, but I probably won't do that anytime soon unless it like completely falls apart. But anyway, back to the bag, honey. So as you can see, my phone fits in there perfectly without any issue. And look, it does take up a lot of space. So I probably would only be able to fit maybe my wallet, and that might be it. My wallet, maybe a lip gloss or something like that. I don't generally carry lip glosses and things like that in my purses, but if I were to, a chapstick or 2 would fit. And I like that it's spacious enough to fit quite a bit in. And because of the leather, you could probably stretch it to fit a bit more. But as long as it fits my phone, which in my wallet, I'm good. Like, I have no qualms with this. I think it's a great purchase. If you were wondering, if you were looking at it and like, oh, I don't know, wondering if you should get it, girl, get it. Because it's cute. And it's just a cute little addition. Something fun, something cute, a pop of color in your wardrobe. I'm just saying. Anyway, I hope I've convinced you that this is a cute, great bag, a great addition. Now, I'll probably come on and do another video, let you know the wear and tear and all that stuff. But as it is right now, first impressions, I'm thoroughly impressed because this is the cutest thing I think I've seen since sliced bread. Not that sliced bread is cute, but I'm just saying it is adorable. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that I sold you on this bag. If not, well, maybe another time. All right. Thank you. Bye.